Before you can submit your crop plans, you first need to set up your farm properties. It is important to keep your farm property information up to date so CBH has the right understanding of what will be delivered at harvest and can track grower estimates completion overall. In this tutorial, we will take a look at the properties section where you can create a new property, update an existing one, or reactivate one that is not currently being used. The first thing to note is that you may have multiple accounts and properties. You will need to add or update properties for each account if you plan to deliver grain to CBH from that account. Simply select the right account from the drop-down menu. Under the Properties section, you may see any active properties in dark blue. When expanded, you will see the list of paddocks and the functions available to update the property, including edit property details, add paddocks, upload or download paddocks, transfer the property, transfer or delete paddocks, and sorting paddocks. Any inactive properties will be in light blue. You will not be able to access any of the functions unless you make the property active. To do this, select Reuse Property Code, update any information, and then select Use Property. On the flip side, to make a property inactive, select the Edit button and tick the No Longer Using This Property box and update. To add a new property, go to Create New Property Code under the Getting Started section. Fill in the property name, shire, nearest and alternate CBH sites, and then select Add. Once you have added the property, you can start adding paddocks, which we will go through in the next tutorial. Don't forget, you can download the user guide, which also has detailed step-by-step instructions.